What are you eating, baby? Nisi, what are you eating, baby? Mango? No, that's okay. See?
Ay, takrosan. Uy, nakakatuwa siya pagdating ni Angelo noon, yung unang dating niya. Subo ka, baby, nalalaglag pa nang hindi ka pa sa likod. Ako, baby, ako, baby. Wow!
Yummy!
Mas yummy, sabi ni Coco. Wala pa naman. Ninangat-ngat mo na eh. Wow! Ang galing ng pagkain.
Mami, can I have water?